Justice Department says former lawmaker Arnie Teves will be brought back to the country soon. Here's the report.
Former Congressman Arnie Teves is still in Timor-Leste. He is being tagged as the mastermind behind the killing for Negros Oriental Solon Roel de Gamo last year. But the Justice Department says Teves may be brought back to the Philippines soon.
Lumabas ang balita na ang president ng Timor-Leste mismo, si Jose Ramos Horta, mentioned that it will not be too long before he will go home.
According to the DOJ, Timor-Leste will work on Teves' extradition after the visit of Pope Francis in the country this week.
Coordinated din po tayo sa DILG. Again, this is a whole-of-government approach that we are doing in the case of former Congressman Teves. And we hope to execute everything, our operation, right after the papal visit.
The agency added that Timor-Leste rejected Teves' appeal against his possible extradition, but this was denied by the camp of the former lawmaker.
Nagpalabas ang DOJ ng pahayag na na-deny na daw yung apela. Mali po, fake news yan. Fake news po yan. Wala pang desisyon sa apela. Ang lumabas sa inyo stay order. Hindi yata alam ni Miko Clavano kung anong difference between yung denial ng appeal at denial ng stay order. Kaya nalito si Totoy. That's the problem when you send a boy to do a man's job.
Recall that Teves called on the United Nations to intervene in the supposed violation of his human rights.
Ayan, nalito si Totoy.
Ay.
Nalito daw si Totoy, boy.
Nagalit tuloy si Attorney Topacio.
Hoy,
Pero pag ganyan dapat stick to the topic doon sa issue. Wag natin gawing personal.
Tsaka
batikos natin.
Tsaka wag siya magbabatikos ng younger generation. Just because he's younger doesn't mean you're not competent.
Exactly.
It doesn't matter the age. Competence is not measured with age but with the way you are working.
Ang importante, harapin ang kliyente mo yung kanyang mga kaso dito.
All right.